In Creo Parametric, the split surface command does exactly what it says it does. Let me show you how the split surface command will split a surface into multiple contours, but first let's look at why we would want to use it. Here I have an assembly open, I have a part active, this one over here, and let's say I want to apply a color to this particular surface over here. And you can see when I move my mouse over that surface, I actually get 5 different contours that highlight. Similarly, if I go to the View tab, let me just grab this color over here. And if I try to apply it just to one contour on here, it's going to end up being applied to all 5 of those contours. Similarly, let's say I go into Creo Simulate, Applications, and then Simulate over here. Let's convert everything to the same set of units. Now, if I try to apply a constraint or a load to just one portion of the surface, it will end up getting applied to all those different portions of those surfaces. So that's why we would want to use a command like split surface. Let me close out of Creo Simulate. For simplicity, I am going to open up this part in its own separate window. Let's go back to the View tab. Before I split the surfaces, I'm going to clear that appearance that was applied over here. Now everything is the same color. Let's take a look in the model tree. I believe it is this feature. If I select it and edit definition, you can see how that geometry was created. This is an extrude feature, and in the sketch, it had 5 different closed loops that were extruded the same depth. That's why these different contours are all considered the same surface. Let me cancel out of the extrude feature. Now let's look at the split surface command. If you go to the Model tab, it's available from the Editing Overflow menu. I will click Split Surface. Here we get the dashboard for the feature. There are 2 buttons on here. The one to the left allows you to select the contours to be split manually. This one allows them to be selected automatically. Let's take a look at automatic first. If I go to the Placement tab, you'll see that it wants to know which surface we want to split. I will select this surface. And now we have the green check mark. I will hit the check mark. And if we try to apply a color now, let me go to the drop-down list and just grab one color. And I pick this over here. You'll notice only one contour is highlighting. I can click OK, and that single surface got the color applied. Let me show you how to use this command manually. First, I'm just going to clear the appearance from that surface. Let's go to the bottom of the model tree and delete the split surface feature. And now they're back to being a single surface. Let's click on Model, Editing Overflow, Split Surface. And again, the Placement tab is red because it doesn't know which surface I want to split. Let's pick this one. And this time we're doing it manually. I will click in the collector for the contours. I'm just going to use the Control key to pick all 5 contours. Now we can hit the check mark, and once again, these surfaces are treated as individual surfaces. I can go back to the View menu, and let's select a yellow color and apply it to this surface here. Let me go to the drop down, and again, just apply a few other different colors into geometry, just to show you that they are indeed separate surfaces. Similarly, if we go into Creo Simulate, Applications Simulate, I can apply a displacement.
I hope you enjoyed this video.
For more information, please visit www.creowindow.com. If you learned something from this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me change the units to something that makes more sense, like click the subscribe button, and ring the bell here is when new videos are uploaded. Direction. Let's do a force of
Thank you very much.
100 newtons. Preview it. Again, you can see it's just being applied to one contour over there, and then click the OK button. So again, the split surface command allows you to take a surface and divide it into multiple contours.